Since the dawn of life, the code of existence has been written in an invisible language. But what if we could understand it, edit it, rewrite it with purpose? Introducing GAIA Genome Core, the first genetic programming interface of the future. A symbolic language driven by artificial intelligence for editing genes, RNA, and DNA in real time. Through the integration of deep neural networks with CRISPR systems, NeuroCRISPR-Net emerges, a bioinformatics decision network capable of identifying, predicting, and correcting mutations before they even cause damage. By reversing the damage inflicted on Earth, Symbiosis ushers in a new era of genetic symbiosis. Using biological restoration algorithms, we restore forests, oceans, and nearly extinct species. And when Gaia is no longer enough, Archexogenesis will take genetic intelligence beyond Earth. We colonize planets with bio-optimized humans, more beautiful, more intelligent, more harmonious with the cosmos. We research and develop solutions so that you can live without the risk of developing degenerative diseases and enjoy the life that our Creator gave us. Based on the most advanced discoveries in bioinformatics, artificial intelligence, genetic ethics, and cyber-physical systems of Industry 4.0. Join the GAIA X mission. Rewrite life, heal, enhance, preserve, expand, for a smarter, more beautiful, more human genetic future. We hope to see you in the following video. Where is our goodwill? God bless our world.